on contraceptives as a federal judge orders the FDA to make the morning after pill available to people of any age without a prescription. This isn't the first court battle over this pill. Back in 2004, the FDA banned over-the-counter access. Then in 2006, it allowed anyone 18 years and older to get the morning after pill without a prescription. In 2009, the FDA further loosened restrictions now to 17 years and older. Then in 2011, the FDA originally okayed the pill without a prescription, but the decision was overturned by the federal government. Well, our Matt Markham joins us live in the newsroom. And Matt, some groups are calling this a victory tonight for women's rights.
Yes, they are, Jerry. Planned Parenthood says nearly half of all pregnancies are unintended in this country, and 750,000 girls aged 15 to 19 become pregnant every year. It calls the court's ruling a positive decision for women. Some, however, call it dangerous and misguided.
As a parent myself, it's a very offensive ruling to me. It says I don't have the right to guide my child.
No prescription, no parental consent. Emergency contraception will be available on the store shelves like any other item at the pharmacy. The New York State Catholic Conference believes it sends a message that sex is carefree and without consequence.
You're talking about 12 and 13-year-old girls who could potentially, under this new ruling, go to Rite Aid today, Walgreens tomorrow, CVS the next day, and just keep getting these high doses of hormones and putting them in their body.
Taking Plan B from behind the counter, says Planned Parenthood, takes away barriers that women may face when purchasing the drug.
It's access without being judged, access as far as not having to deal with a pharmacist who may have some personal views as to whether or not that young woman or couple should have access to an effective birth control method.
Planned Parenthood says Plan B is effective within 5 days of sex.
There are ample amount of scientific research that supports a safe and effective use of emergency contraception at all ages.
Not so, say some who worry about the possibility of detrimental cultural and health impacts.
There are undetermined effects on a female's future fertility. So what are we saying to our young people?